Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be signing a promissory note. Now, what is a promissory note? It's an agreement between a borrower and a lender. Basically, the borrower is agreeing to the terms of the loan. And so you're going to have two signers here, the borrower and the lender, that you're going to be verifying the content of the document and their signatures. So for today, our borrower is Naomi and the lender is going to be Javier. So we see this document has been filled out before time. So we just want to go through it, not checking the content in any way because that's none of our business, but just making sure that there aren't any blank spaces. So as I go down here, I do see that we do have a check mark here of a single payment that Naomi's going to make to Javier. But we do have this here where we have a couple of blanks. And I don't know, I just don't like that here. So let's see if we can get rid of that. So one thing we can do is use these tools. So I like to use the line tool sometime. And I'm going to turn this black. And I'm going to make this a little bit thinner for me, maybe 2 points. And now I can draw my line here. And then I can do this again to draw another line. I just want to cross this out because I don't want there to be any confusion about what type of payments are going to be, and I don't want any changes to be made in these blanks. Now, with me crossing that out, what I can do is put my initials that I'm the one who made this annotation. So I'm going to press 2 to put my initials here, and I'm going to adopt these initials. And I'm just going to put this annotation here that I'm the one who crossed that out, just to be safe. So as we go further down, we see that we have our signature and acknowledgement page. So let's start adding signature. So the borrower signature is Naomi, so I'm going to press S. I'm going to select Naomi's name. Just put it here, a little smaller to fit. And for date, I'm going to use the hotkey D. Put this here. And Naomi's printed name. So I'm going to press 1 as a hotkey, choose Naomi, and put that here. Now the lender is Javier. Let's put his information. So I'm going to press S, choose Javier, put that here, printed name, and the date. Now here, after I've given the oath and both of them have said in the affirmative that they agree to this document, I am going to put my information now. So I'm going to put a text box, New York, text box, County of Orange. And I'm going to put a text box and put 10th. Put that here. Text box for October. Text box for 25. Before me, and I'm going to put my name. I'm going to press 1 here. And I want to make sure I check this. So borrower, lender, they both appear. So I'm going to press 3 for a hotkey for a check. And I'm going to put a check there. And now I can drop my signature, my name, my commission expiration date, and my stamp. So let's do that. So how about we drag and drop this time? Do drag and drop the signature, my signature. Adopt that. My notary public name. My commission expiration. And my seal. And I'll finish up by asking Naomi and Javier if everything looks correct before I complete the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.